Since the Designers and Makers Week, we've been helping create and formulate a plan and a layout on how we want the lounge to look like.
We've assigned everyone roles here, for example, from marketing team to safety team to design lead and graphic designers.
Throughout the weeks, we have been going through games that we would like to host within the lounge, different events that we would like to host in the lounge, and different partners and people that I would like to collaborate with to help include Thamesmead within this project. And today we've been helping paint the lounge and help give it a sense of identity and personalise it to the youth of Thamesmead.
Next week on Wednesday, we will be doing the official opening of the lounge.
We're going to have people invited and they're going to come into the area, play games, have snacks. We're going to ask them questions, we're going to introduce them to our project, and see what they think of it.
Now that it's open, I'm very happy and I'm just really excited to see how everyone has been able to presentate their ideas for the Thamesmead locals and how we've come together and worked as a team to bring the place into what it is now.
We're really excited to be here today for the opening of the lounge, which is the culmination of several months of hard work from Beyond the Box and many young people who've really been coordinating, collaborating and being really creative on what the space could be. So it's a really great milestone that we've reached today in January for the opening.
Young people have been saying for quite a while that there's nowhere safe for them to go, nothing to do and nowhere for them to hang out. So this is a really important space in the centre of Signet Square, and it's really important to have creative opportunities and just a space to learn, engage and relax.
Absolutely delighted to be here. LMAC were very happy to partner and support Peabody with the creation of this wonderful space. As I've seen today, there's going to be a huge amount of activity being created within this space that is going to engage the young people.
This space is important for the youth to socialise and come together, and it can also bear the community. It builds a community in Thamesmead, and it brings everyone together.
So it's really important that young people feel that they have got a space in the community that they live in, that they go to school in. So for them to be able to know that they can come here after school or during the day, not only is it a space that they can socialise, but it's really important that they have a safe space as well.
It feels great now that the space is open. I'm really glad that we were able to build this space for the young people. I feel like it really helps with the antisocial behaviour as well, and for the development of the young people in the area.
A youth space for young people, by young people, in the heart of Thamesmead. We're so excited and so thrilled to finally have a space for young people here.
The youth really need a place to kind of just connect with one of each other. I think the youth has been misunderstood for quite a while, and places like this help the youth to come together to talk with friends, talk about problems, get career advice.
We come together to, communicate and make friends, socialise and, relax.
People have a place where they feel like they can be free and express themselves. They can hang around with their friends after school and just have a place where they can relax.
I'm really excited to see what outcomes it can bring. I'm excited to see all the creativity that can come with it, and I can't wait to see what the future holds for the space.